Hi. Good PM. We are going to record the kabalustugan of Kim and Rain. Let's find out how kagulo they are here in our house. And now, this is Kim. Hi, Kim. Kaway ka, kaway. Kaway sa camera. Hello.
Wow.
What is your name?
Kim.
Wow, how old are you?
Oh.
Where do you live?
Kim.
Where do you live? Saan ka natira?
Kim. Pa.
Oh, galing ah. Saan si Rain? Let's see Rain. Rain. Ay, Rain ah. Rain. Yan si Rain. May sore eyes. Ay, may sore eyes ang bata. Rain. Ayan oh. Ayan si Ate Kim niya. Makulit oh.
Ayan. Bam.
Bakit?
Nana.